We're going live. You're recording? You're recording?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll get a couple people to jump in here. This is from the same department, Society Awards YT for YouTube, and this is a much bigger award. We'll get some people, and because this is probably going to stir up some drama when it shouldn't, I have my hater starter kit right there. You all, my faithful followers, are going to watch live 12:21 Eastern Time, September 28th, and it's delivered. So wait for a few more people to come in. Ben, who is one of my main video makers on the stuff we do, like the giveaways and that, is taking the video. And let's get some more people in here. Floyd, thank you. Yes, you all are going to see it first. We're going to do a video on it, but I am going to open this award up live. So for everybody that said it was bought in box, totally wrong. We also are finishing up the Big Jeff Comes Clean, which I think we're going to play next Saturday. Okay, so that'll be a big long one explaining all this. And we passed review for the silver button, which you saw, and then a bigger review for the 1 million gold button. So wait for a few more people to come in. I know it's midday. We're gonna open this up live. Okay, so first thing I need to do is put you guys this way, because I know this is gonna rile people up. The Big Jeff Hater Starter Kit is my pinky ring, Team Cuban Link. And I have to put on the hater blockers. We have them up on our website now. Oh, I'm gonna dust a little bit off. Okay, again, this should not be competition to who's got the bigger. Man, it's just us doing marketing and building a company for my garage. Okay, let's turn this around. I'm gonna get a trusty knife. So we have right there. We're gonna open this up. So this is definitely a bigger box than the silver button. Definitely a bigger box. I remember when we won, or we made the 100,000, people were even posting that we're gonna buy it on eBay. You can buy it on eBay. Just stupid. Why can't people just stay in their lane? But here we go. Hope you're all excited with me. Hope you're all excited. Uh-oh. We'll take off the first layer. And then we have the letter. One mission, one channel, one more thing. 1 million subscribers, congratulations. You may have started with just a few viewers, but your voice, passion, and creativity have now touched the lives around the world. And the community you've built is enriched by stories you've shared. Yes, we have actually put out well over 500 videos just in a few months. Multiples a day, actually, to help out with this. To honor the milestone, we're proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. Same card I got last time from the company that actually makes the awards. And wow, there she is. She is shiny. I'm going to turn this back around. Y'all watching? Open her up. Stay with me. I'm doing this, guys. I'm doing this. Everybody, y'all are part of this. Here she is. The 1 million subscriber YouTube award. Right here in my hands. Let me get it up closer. Ben, you want to get a close up? Ben is over here taking actual video that we'll do. Alright. Let me put her back down. Oh, this thing's nice. Okay, so it says, presents to Big Jeff Audio for passing 1 million subscribers. YouTube award. That's it right there, y'all. It is here. You got to get to 10 million to get the Diamond Award. And again, I never started YouTube for this. But we will be coming clean on how we did in 90 days. There are plenty of YouTube pages out there that do it. And I can tell you, you can't physically get that many fake bots. They would, one, shut your page down, and two, they would shut the server down it was coming from. When people buy fake subscribers or views, they can literally only do so many a day, right? And that's how they keep under the radar. Now, there is a trick to our trade, and there are some that are from different countries, and some that are not car audio directly, and we're going to go over that in this video coming. So you know, look out for that. I did the video not for the haters. I did it also for our followers that might have thought weird but stuck it out, and I did it also because it's gonna be one hell of a video, because I know a lot of people have blown up their YouTube, but how many people have done it in 90 days? I mean, that's pretty crazy. So all right, well, you were first to see the Big Jeff gold YouTube play button. Again, I'm not here to compete with any YouTuber. I don't even do this for monetizing. It's not even worth the money compared to what we do in the business. And just did it to do it. I mean, we're just going to make videos. We're going to continue to make videos, good and bad, and we're going to step up our game. More and more reviews, giveaways. In fact, tomorrow, Parker the Basshead, who hit 100,000, will be on the podcast, 7:30 Friday. And we're going to the show this weekend. That's the Florida Lifted show, Saturday and Sunday. But tomorrow night, 7:30 Eastern at night, check out Big Sound by Big Jeff. We have a new YouTube for it. That's the Big Sound YouTube, and it'll be displayed on the Big Jeff one and also Facebook. And we'll be re-interviewing Parker the Basshead, which is really cool. And check that out. But other than that, we will be, it's about an hour long. We have Big Jeff Comes Clean, so that will be up. So thank you for everybody that has stuck it out. Thank you for all my customers, followers. It's cool, I ain't gonna lie, but this wasn't planned or something that we wanted to do. It just kind of went that way. So I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio, showing you all first our gold YouTube play button. I'm out.